Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to set a profile photo or video for your Telegram app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kinds of videos and turn on bell notification. Setting a profile photo or video allows others to see who it is on your Telegram contact list. The unique fact about Telegram is that it allows you to add a video as your profile photo. So to begin with, let's open up the Telegram app. Now tap on Settings. At the top, you'll see an option to set photo or video. Tap on that. Now from here, you can select a photo or video from your photo library. I'll choose a video for this tutorial. As you can see, the profile video will be in a circle. So adjust your video by zooming in or out and move it around to what part of the video you want to include in the circle. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice some editing tools. The first one is for rotating the video. The next one is mirror, so you can flip the video horizontally. The next one is the pen tool. This is a great tool, as in this you can use your pen tool, or even better, you can add stickers and text to the profile video. The last tool is your adjustment tool, where you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and many other settings. There's the settings for shadows and highlights, and you can also adjust the red, green, and blue individually. And now once you're happy with that, tap on the tick at the bottom right. This will set your profile video for your account on Telegram. And there you go, that is how to set a profile photo or video on your Telegram account. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.